This is a tutorial on porting a configuration to other computers. We provided this feature so that you can create a design on one computer and then port that design over to other computers, either through a flash drive or through the network. So in order to do that, go to the main menu and hit the bottom right button called Port Configuration to Other Computers. When you get to this menu, you'll see at the top bar, Save to flash drive and Load to from flash drive. So we'll talk about saving and loading from flash drive first. The first thing you'll have to do is you'll have to save to a flash drive, and that is you want to get the configuration on this computer onto a flash drive. So let me hit that button. Notice I got a warning message, no flash drive inserted. And that is because I don't have a flash drive put into the USB port, and the program senses it and gives you a warning. So I am going to insert a flash drive right now. Hit OK and try it again. Now notice the second time I got a second warning message, and it's warning me that the flash drive is formatted in such that the saved pictures and videos will lose their captions. Do you want to reformat? I highly recommend you say yes to this, with the one caveat that any files on this flash drive will be lost. So make sure that that flash drive is empty when you do this. So I'm going to hit yes and enter. And it's reformatting from FAT32 to NTFS, which is a better format. Okay, it's done. And so let me try to hit save to flash drive one more time. Now notice there are no more error messages, and you have two options: save configuration only and save configuration and libraries. Now almost exclusively you're going to use save configuration only for porting. But we have provided this save configuration and libraries in case you want a second computer to look exactly like the first computer in every way, including the libraries. So we're going to hit save configuration only because we're really only interested in making the second computer's output display look the same. And you'll get a message called saving files. And it's going to take about 15 seconds. Okay, we're back and it's completed all of the saving. You'll get a message box with all of the successful files that is saved onto the flash drive. In this case, it's 156 successes and no failures, so we're good to go. Okay, so now we're going to talk about loading from flash drive. Now, you have to pretend that we have removed the flash drive from this computer and we have gone to a second computer, and that this is a second computer, and we've taken that flash drive and put it into the USB port and have gotten back to this menu. And we want to take the files that are on the flash drive and load it onto this computer. So we'll hit load from flash drive. Notice it says select a directory that starts with flex_YYY year, month, day. So we have to find a directory that way, and in this case the flash drive is called my flash, and I'm going to make that arrow go from horizontal to vertical. And there is one directory called in that format, FlexDisplay _ 2016-08-19. I'm going to click on that, hit OK, and it is done. So we have successfully loaded the configuration onto the flash drive onto this computer. If you want to do this to other computers, you just do the same process. And it's as simple as that from a flash drive. Now let's talk about porting through the network. When you first open this menu, you'll see in this window all of the computers that are on the network. And you have a button here that you can refresh just in case you want to other computers go on the network while you're looking at this. In this case, I have 3 computers on the network. I'm going to pick the second one to port to. And then you have options here where you can, if you click all of the options like this, I'm going to port the entire configuration over to the other computer. In this case, what we'll do is we're just going to port over the scrolling messages. In this scenario, you actually want the other computer to have different pictures and videos and animation, but what you're interested in is to have that other computer have the same scrolling messages as this computer. So that would be the scenario. So all you have to do is say copy over configuration. It's been successful. And if the other computer is actively running FlexDisplay, a message will pop up and say somebody is trying to send over scrolling messages. Do you accept? And if you say yes, then the scrolling messages will be ported. Okay, it's as simple as that. And this will end the tutorial after I return to main menu.